Good morning, students. Today's class is about a few numericals based on molecular formula, empirical formula, and few questions based on chemical equations. Okay, note down please one by one. First question. You know already empirical formula and molecular formula relation, how these two are related to N. Now the empirical formula of compound is empirical formula of compound is CH2. Empirical formula of compound is CH2. 1 mole of this compound has 1 mole of this compound 1 mole of this compound has mass 1 mole of this compound has mass of 42 grams. Okay, then its molecular formula is this is the question. Here options also there, please note down. CH2, C2H2, C3H6, C3H8. These are the options, and read the question carefully. You know how the empirical formula and molecular formula related to N value. Okay, here first of all, if you know the N, then you can find the molecular formula. N is equal to N factor. N is equal to molecular weight. Okay, molecular weight. Otherwise, total molecular weight of compound. Okay, molecular weight by empirical formula weight. Empirical formula weight. What is molecular weight? 42. What is empirical formula? CH2. CH2. What is the weight of CH2? CH2 is nothing but carbon 12 plus 2, that equal to 14. 14. Empirical formula weight equal to 14. Okay, 3 times. Therefore, molecular formula of compound is equal to, okay, here CH2 multiply with 3. CH2 multiply with 3 means C3H6. This is the answer. C3H6. This is the answer. Please note down. Okay, next question. Please note down. You know, relation N factor is equal to molecular weight by empirical formula weight. Okay, molecular weight, total molecular weight, molecular mass, nothing but molecular weight 42 by empirical formula. Here, empirical formula CH2, carbon 12, each hydrogen 1, 14. Therefore, 3 times. Therefore, molecular formula is equal to empirical formula into N factor. Therefore, C3H6. Now, next question. A hydrocarbon consists of or contains 80% of carbon, and 20% of hydrogen, Molecular mass of compound is nothing but molecular weight of compound. Molecular weight of compound is 30. Okay, then calculate its molecular formula. 30. Then calculate its molecular formula. molecular formula. Options. Okay, here CH4, C2H4, C2H6, C4H10. These are the options. First, carbon, hydrogen. Read the question here. Percentage of carbon and hydrogen is there. Carbon and hydrogen here 80 by 12. You know how to 80 by 12. Percentage of carbon by atomic weight. Next percentage 20 by hydrogen atomic weight 1. Here value 80 by 12 nothing but 6.66. 6.66 here 20. Then simplest ratio means here 6.66 by least value. Here these two are divided by least value. Here least value is 6.66, therefore 6.66. Next here 20 by 6.66. Here values are around 1 by 3. Here 1, here 3. Therefore empirical formula of compound is carbon. Hydrocarbon is nothing but only carbon and hydrogen present. Therefore 1 carbon 3 hydrogens. From this all this data CH3. Empirical formula is CH3. Now we need to calculate the N value, N factor. N factor is equal to, okay, molecular weight. How much molecular weight? Molecular weight of compound is 30 by empirical formula 1 carbon 12. Okay, 3 hydrogens 3. 12 plus 3 15. 12 plus 3 15. Therefore N value is equal to 2. Therefore CH3 N value, N factor, here I am writing N factor is equal to 2. Therefore empirical formula into N factor is nothing but multiply with 2, C2H6. C2H6. This is the answer. This is the final answer, C2H6. Note on this. Here if you observe students, here 80% by atomic weight 12. Here 20% by 1 atomic weight 6.66 20. Here ratio here 6.6 20. These two values are divided by least value. Here 6.6 is least value. Therefore 1 here 6.63. Therefore CH3 nothing but 2, C2H6. One more problem. Empirical formula of compound is EF, nothing but empirical formula of compound. Empirical formula of compound is CH2O. CH2O. Its vapor density is 45. VD, nothing but vapor density is, its vapor density is 45. Then molecular formula of compound is molecular formula of compound is here empirical formula given CH2O. Okay, vapor density given. Here molecular we need to calculate first relation between molecular weight. Molecular weight is equal to 2 into vapor density. 2 into vapor density, that is equal to 2 into 45, that is equal to 90. Molecular weight of compound is 90. Now you know N factor. N factor is equal to, here I am writing N factor is equal to, okay, molecular weight by empirical formula weight. Molecular weight by empirical formula weight. Here molecular weight how much? 90. Empirical formula weight. Here what is CH2O? CH2O weight. How to calculate the weight of CH2O? CH2O carbon 12, hydrogen, each hydrogen 112, oxygen 16. I think so. Your value is 30. CH2 is nothing but 30. Total value 30. Therefore here 30, 3 times n value is 3. Therefore CH2O multiply with 3. Therefore final answer is C3H6O3. C3H6O3. This is the answer. Note down this. This is here one relation is important. Molecular weight is equal to 2 into vapor density. Indirectly molecular weight is given from vapor density data. Molecular, you know, this is also one. N factor is equal to molecular weight by empirical formula 8 EFWT. Finally molecular formula is equal to empirical formula into n factor. CH2 weight 30. Next, a compound contains 92.3% of carbon, 92.3% of carbon and 7.7% of hydrogen, 7.7% of hydrogen. Molecular formula, then molecular, next, then molecular weight of compound is 39 times heavier than 39 times heavier than the hydrogen. Then molecular formula of compound is, first of all carbon and hydrogen. Here 92.3 by 12. Here 7.7 divided by 1. It is 7.7. Here value is 7.691. Next, divided by least value approximately 1. You 7 point here 7.69 nothing but it is approximately equal to 7.7. Therefore it is also 7.7 divided by 7.7. Here also 7.7 divided by 7.7. Both are 1. Therefore carbon and hydrogens are, from all these data, empirical formula is CH, one carbon and one hydrogen, CH. But here molecular weight of compound is 39 times heavier than hydrogen. Means okay, molecular weight is equal to 39 into 2. Okay, hydrogen molecular weight is equal to 2, that equal to 78. Now n factor is equal to molecular weight 78 by empirical formula weight. Carbon 12 plus 1 13. Here value is around 6 times. Therefore CH multiply with 6. Therefore C6H6. This is the answer. C6H6 is the final answer. Here 92.3 by 12 equals 7.691. Approximately is equal to 7.7. Here value 7.7. These two are divided by least value. Both are same value 7.7, 7.7. In both the cases 1, 1. Therefore, empirical formula is CH. In next year, molecular weight. Okay, molecular weight is equal to 39 times heavier than hydrogen. Therefore, hydrogen molecule weight. Okay, don't take hydrogen atomic weight 2. Therefore, 78. Okay, here n factor is equal to molecular weight by empirical formula total 6 C6H6. Next one. Next one more problem. Please note on this. Few questions based on equations or reactions. 0.132 grams of organic compound. 0.132 grams of organic compound. Organic compound gave 50 ml of N2. 50 ml of N2 at STP conditions. N2 at STP conditions. Then weight percentage of nitrogen. Then weight percentage of nitrogen. Weight percentage of nitrogen in the compound is weight percentage of nitrogen in the compound is. Next options here I'm writing 15 percentage, 20 percentage, 48.9 percentage, 47.34 percentage. These are the options. Okay, something 0.132 grams of organic compound gave 50 ml of N2 at STP. Okay, here first of all we know 22.22 at STP conditions, 22.4 liters of any N2, 22.4 liter N2 weight is equal to how much? 28 grams. Okay, 50 ml of N2 weight. 50 ml of N2 weight. So how much? Here 50 into 28 by 22.4 is equal to here value 0.0625. Okay, here students, here substitute value in 22,400 ml. Don't here, sorry. (22,400 ml of N2 is equal to 28 grams at STP. Next 50 ml. (0.0625 grams). Then weight percentage of N2. Weight percentage of N2 is equal to, okay, then percentage of nitrogen 0.0625 divided by total weight of compound 0.132. 0.132. Here answer is 40 into 100, means percentage means into 100, equal to 47.34. The answer. You know, 1 mole of any compound STP conditions, volume occupied is equal 22.4 liters or 22,400 ml. 22,400 ml. This is total weight of organic compound. In that, weight of nitrogen is equal to 0.0625. Therefore, percentage equal to weight of nitrogen by total weight into 147.34 percentage. In a compound, carbon, next question please note down. In a compound, carbon, hydrogen and nitrogen are present in carbon, hydrogen and nitrogen are present in 9:1:3.5 ratio. 9:1:3.5. Okay, by weight. Molecular weight of compound is 108. Then molecular formula of compound is options also here I am writing. C2H6N2, C3H4N, C6H8N2, C9H12N3. These are the options. Read the question carefully first. Okay, first carbon, hydrogen and nitrogen. Carbon, hydrogen and nitrogen. How much? 9. 9 by 12. 1 by 1. That 3.5 by 14. Here value is 0.75, 0.25, 0.75, 0.25. Again all these divided by simple value, least value, 0.7 by 0. Next step I am writing 0.75 by 0.25. Next 1 divided by 0.25. Next 0.25 divided by 0.25. Okay, here how many times? 3 times, 4 times, 1 time. Here 1. Okay, 3 times, here 4 times. Here it is 4 times, it is 3 times. Sorry. One time, here 3 times and 4 times. Then C3H4N. From all these data, weight of empirical formula C3H4N. Next, N factor is equal to, N factor here I am calculating, N factor, N is equal to molecular weight of compound 108 by empirical formula weight. 3 carbons means each carbon 12. Okay, 12 into 3. Each hydrogen 1. Nitrogen is 14. Total I think so its value is 54. 2 times. Therefore, this empirical formula is multiply with 2. Therefore, C6H8N2. C6H8N2. This is the final answer. Final answer C6H8N2. Note down this. Next question. A compound contains 69.5 percentage of oxygen and 30.5 percentage of nitrogen. 30.5 percentage of nitrogen, O nothing but oxygen and nitrogen, and its molecular weight is 92. Then formula of the compound is options. Okay, NO, NO2, N2O4, NO3. These are the options. Here, first of all, oxygen and nitrogen. 69.5 by 16. Here 30.5 divided by 14. Here value 4.34 and 2.17. Few multiply with least value, approximately it is 2 times and 1 time. Here approximately 2 times. From all these, formula of compound is NO2, N, 1 nitrogen and 2 oxygens, NO2. Next formula, okay, what is the total weight? Molecular weight is 92. Therefore N factor, N is equal to 92 by here what is the weight of NO2? 32 plus 14, here 46. 2 times, this is multiply with 2, therefore N2O4 is the final answer. This is the formula of oxide of nitrogen, N2O4. C option is right option, N2O4. Okay, up to here empirical formula and molecular formula. Okay, here compound contains something oxygen percentage and nitrogen percentage. Just oxygen percentage, nitrogen percentage by their atomic weight 16, 14, 4.24, 2.17. Again these values are divided by least value. Here least value 2.17 to 2.17 by 2.171. Therefore 1 nitrogen and 2 oxygens, therefore formula is NO2. Again N factor is equal to total molecular weight by empirical formula weight. Empirical formula weight nothing but NO2 weight equal to 46. Therefore N value 2, final answer is N2O4. Next question. The volume of CO2 evolved. The volume of CO2 evolved, nothing but released at STP. At STP on heating STP on heating 50 grams of CaCO3, 50 grams of CaCO3, 50 grams of CaCO3. Here options also please note down options. 11.2 liters, second option 22.4 liter, third option 5.6 liter, here 24.4. These are the options. Here calcium carbonate, volume of CO2 avoided at STP on heating 50. Here calcium carbonate weight 100 grams. If 100 grams of CaCO3 on heating gives, okay, here 1 mole of CO2, 1 mole of STP conditions occupies is nothing but okay 22.4 liter. But here how many grams? 50 grams. How much? Here 100 grams 50, 22.4 nothing but 11.2. This is the answer. Okay, this is the question from some balancing equation. Okay, in next class we will discuss about few more questions from empirical formula, molecular formula, and based on questions based on chemical equations. Okay, thank you.